from offices to factories to retail. Facial recognition from VORTEX is built for real-world needs. VORTEX identifies faces with precision, helping you verify who's outside, while keeping full control over when and how access is granted. In factories, VORTEX detects unfamiliar faces in secured areas and alerts the right people in real time. At the storefront, recognize returning customers and VIPs and deliver a personal experience from the very first step. To make all this possible, just create profiles easily from the VORTEX portal and add tags to organize individuals by role or relevance. Once a profile is set, tracking a person's movement is just one click away. You can also use tags to categorize individuals, including creating your own allow and deny lists. Furthermore, set up context-specific detections to trigger instant notifications for smarter access control, customer segmentation, and personalized responses. Different regions may have different facial recognition rules. VORTEX's Smart Privacy Switch lets you adjust with a single click. Facial recognition that works and respects your rules. Powered by VORTEX.